Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a crash course on how to use Apple Wallet for beginners. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so simply follow along. So first is open up the wallet application, and after that just tap on the plus button in the top right corner, and from there just follow the prompts to add a credit, debit card, or Apple Card. And once you have added your details about your card, and after that just use your iPhone camera to scan your card, or you can enter the details manually. And from there guys, just simply verify your card with your bank if needed. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap add to wallet when purchasing tickets or passes online. And after that, you can also scan a QR code or barcode using the wallet app. So guys, if you are using your Apple Wallet for payment, in order for you to pay in store, just simply double click the side button and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And after that, just hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see it done, and it will show a check mark on the display. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.